In this video, I am going to show you how to do conversion problems in a very general sense, whether you're converting from metric to metric or imperial units to imperial units, whether it's length, whether it's volume, whether you're converting in between units, or even whether you're doing a currency exchange. I'm going to show you a very general, surefire way to do any type of conversion problem. First, let's start with what you have. Okay, you have something, and you want to change it to something else. In order to do that, you need a rate of conversion. So we're going to have a rate of conversion. You're going to multiply what you have by this rate of conversion. Now, what's really important about this rate of conversion needs to be a relationship between what you have and what you want. So we have some sort of relationship between what we have and what we want. I might have 2 of these, and that might be equal to 3 of these. And that's my rate of conversion. So what do I mean by this? Let's say I want to convert 102 millimeters, and I want to know how many centimeters is that. Okay, so I want to convert 102 millimeters into centimeters. What did I say? I said, well, we have to start with what I have. That's 102 millimeters. And we're going to multiply this by a rate of conversion. Now, my rate of conversion needs to be a relationship between what I have and what I want. What I have is millimeters, and what I want are centimeters. So I have millimeters, I want centimeters. I need to have a relationship between millimeters and centimeters, something that I know. Often you'll get this off of a chart or a sheet. Well, I happen to know that 10 millimeters is equal to 1 centimeter. This is a true statement. This here is my rate of conversion. Rate of conversion. So what am I going to do? I'm going to multiply it by my rate of conversion. Most important thing I want to do here is I want to put up top what I want. Right up here, this is going to be what I want. I want these. And on the bottom, I'm going to put what I don't want, which is actually what I have. My millimeters are going to cancel out. And I get 102 times 1 divided by 10, which becomes 10.2 centimeters. So let's do another example. Again, your key formula here is you're going to take what you have, and you're going to multiply it by what you want, and you're going to divide it by what you have. Here, though, this is some sort of rate of conversion. If you don't have this, you can't convert. Let's say I want to know, I have 3 feet, and I want to know, well, how many inches is that? What do I have? I have 3 feet. I have 3 feet. So this is what I have. I'm going to take my 3 feet, and I'm going to multiply it by what I want, which is inches, and I'm going to divide it by what I have, which is feet. But I need a relationship here. I need to know some sort of truth, some sort of relationship, some rate of conversion between inches and feet. So what is my conversion rate between inches and feet? I happen to know that in 1 foot there are 12 inches. And you can look that up on the internet easily enough. So where does the 12 go? Well, the 12 goes with the inches. Got 12 inches here, 1 foot here. What do I get? 3 times 12 divided by 1. 3 times 12 is 36. So 3 feet is equal to 36 inches. So I did an example with metric. I did an example with imperial units of length. But really, you can do this with anything. Let's say that I happen to have 4 goats. And I want to know, well, how many pigs is that worth? Maybe it's the olden days when we traded goats for pigs. I don't know. But all I need to do is multiply this by a rate of conversion. So I take what I have 4 goats. And I'm going to multiply this by my rate of conversion. What I want are pigs. Let's do this one in green. I want pigs. And what I don't want are goats. So if I happen to have some sort of relationship about the worth of pigs and goats, this is where I can do it. So let's just make one up. Let's say that 2 pigs are worth 1 goat. Let's say we knew that. Maybe we made that trade before. Well, then I have 2 pigs up here. I have 1 goat down here. And 4 times 2 is 8, which means that 4 goats is, you got it, equal to 8 pigs. So how to actually convert things is rather easy. The difficult part sometimes is coming up with this. Where does this come from? And we'll talk about that in another video.